Hi, my name is Evan Keller. I am the president of Keller Developments. We are a multi-residential commercial construction company here in Brandon, Manitoba. I think it's important to be innovative as a development company because you got to be on the leading edge of construction. It's critical to be showing your customers that you're willing to evolve and try new things. We learned about greenstone ice panels 3-4 years ago. We were intrigued because of the R value. An ice panel is an insulated composite envelope panel. It's made with G90 steel and EPS. It comes in prefabricated panels. They're easy to install. The assembly process is quite simple. The panels are lightweight, easy to handle. Guys like working with them. Ice panels make our construction site more efficient because we're able to skip certain stages of construction. You're basically skipping the framing, insulating, vapor barriering stage all in one step. It allows us to work through the cold winters, get the building closed in quickly, and be productive. I would recommend greenstone ice panels. They're going to help you meet the energy efficiency demands of today's building world. They're going to allow you to complete your projects faster. They're easy to work with, allowing you to accomplish more in a day. I would highly recommend greenstone.